Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Battlefield 1 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable auto lean and auto peek on the Battlefield 1 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battlefield 1 game on your device and you may continue playing your preferred match mode right away. Now, while you are playing, if you wish to enable or disable the auto lean and auto peek features, then go ahead and pause the game. From the pause menu, click on Options and then click on Gameplay. Now, within the Gameplay tab, you have the Advanced section at the right side. Go ahead and click on it, and here you will find the Soldier Auto Leaning as well as Auto Peek Over option. By default, this is turned on. If you wish to turn it off, simply click on the No option for both of these. You can then go back and your changes will be saved. After this, you can continue to play your game with your Auto Lean and Auto Peek turned off. You can change this setting at any point of time in the future by once again following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable auto lean and auto peek on the Battlefield 1 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.